Sisa Namandje and Company being one of the big law firms in Namibia and being a big player in litigation specifically, we recognize that there is a need for skills development. And because of that, this session was organized, and we really want to thank Advocate Maleka for accepting our invitation to come and conduct this training. This training is privately funded by the law firm and Sisa Namandje Foundation Trust. I wish to recognize to that end management of Sisa Namandje and Company and all the staff members who contributed to make this a reality. Also want to recognize, I'm sure you have noticed amongst us, we have some senior members of the profession. I just noticed the AG and the PG are in our midst. And I also want to recognize Advocate Griffith Madonsela, Senior Counsel. He's here with us also accompanying Advocate Maleka. Before I introduce our distinguished, highly accomplished trainer for the evening, technical aspects of reviews and tactical consideration for a successful prosecution or defense of review. It is an honor for us as a law firm to host Advocate Maleka, and as I've indicated, we are really grateful that he responded to our invitations. Colleagues, you are really privileged to be here to receive this training at no cost whatsoever. Let me introduce Advocate Maleka. This is a man whose reputation precedes him, which makes it very easy to introduce him. He has been a member of the Johannesburg Society of Advocates since 1989. That's a good 34 years practice as an advocate. And for 21 years has been practicing as a senior counsel. He is also a trial advocates trainer for General Bar Council members. And it was for that specific reason that we invited him to come and share his wealth experience when it comes to training, especially in this field of review. So he's well vested in training, and he's in better position to actually identify the training gaps in our profession, and we will actually benefit from this presentation today. Colleagues, make the best of this session. It's one of a kind, free of charge, and Advocate Maleka is ready to share his experience with you. Advocate Maleka.